A close encounter with restrictive and non-restrictive relative clauses. Hello everyone. Today we are going to delve deeper into the world of pronouns, specifically relative pronouns. Our main focus will be on understanding restrictive and non-restrictive relative clauses. These are some key concepts that are really going to help you boost your English language skills. Let's get started. To kick things off, let's quickly refresh our understanding of relative pronouns. These are words like who, whom, that, which, and whose. They link two clauses together and refer back to a noun or pronoun mentioned earlier, making our sentences more fluent and less repetitive. Now, on to the main event, restrictive and non-restrictive relative clauses. These clauses are dependent clauses that provide extra information about the noun mentioned before them. The difference between them lies in the kind of information they offer. Restrictive relative clauses, also known as defining relative clauses, provide essential information to understand the sentence fully. If we remove this clause, the meaning of the sentence changes or becomes unclear. Non-restrictive relative clauses, also known as non-defining relative clauses, provide additional, non-essential information. If we remove this clause, the main meaning of the sentence remains intact. Let's dive into some examples now. 1. Restrictive relative clause. The book that you recommended is out of stock. Here, that you recommended is a restrictive clause. It is essential as it specifies which book we're talking about. 2. Non-restrictive relative clause. My brother, who is an engineer, loves designing bridges. Here, who is an engineer, is a non-restrictive clause. It adds extra information, but removing it doesn't change the main message that my brother loves designing bridges. Also, remember that non-restrictive clauses are usually set off by commas, while restrictive clauses are not. So, that was a quick exploration of restrictive and non-restrictive relative clauses. The key is to ask yourself whether the clause is essential to the meaning of the sentence or just extra information. I hope this has helped clarify these two types of clauses for you. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing these concepts to become more comfortable with them. Happy learning!